Hello and welcome to issue 30 of Build Your Own 3D Printer. Okay, we've got a few bits and pieces in here. Let's open this up. Bits out. Quick look at the magazine. The usual web access code. Talking about fashion this time. Hats, masks and even eyewear. New face of fashion is 3D printed. These pages are stuck together. No, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. More about fashion, brilliant disguises. Choose your own style. Hats kept our grandparents snug. Kind of like the face hugging. More about strange fashion, truly adding. Hats and masks have a new lease of life thanks to 3D printing. Hair that rocks. Help we need custom fitted mohawks with flashing lights for our dancing double quick time. And this Echo hat by New York artist and fashion designer Heidi Lee. The faces were created using a 3D scan of the artist's faces. It's like a dove's hat, that one. Oh, this is like building the windmill part 2. Like the design tutorial. Three more layers. Extrusion and retraction. This is the it's like that for issue 30. Oh, I don't know if I can do this because I haven't got the build for last week. Now that's going to be a bit annoying. I might be able to do a bit of it. Or I can do a bit of it. I can put those bits in there, but I can't because issue 29 I've got missing at the moment, so I can't do that. Bit of it. Triceratops part 3. This is the design files. Living room suit. Genie bottle. So all I can do it's annoying when I've got parts missing. Okay. Oh, they've already supplied an Allen key. Okay. So I can't do anything. That bit goes on the motor, which was issue 29. But I haven't got that motor bit, so I'll have to go back in the bag. But looks like there are 4 little screws. For which, now I'm stuck because there's some bits missing from this bit. There's 4 screws, but there's no grub screws. So I'm really screwed. Can't even do anything. Got bits missing all over the place here. Well, that's it then. I'm screwed, totally, literally, because 84 M4.0 times 6 millimeters grub screws, and there's 4, which are these bits here, those little grub screws. See that? Part 80 which came on this. Oh no. Oh no. 29, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's buggered, isn't it? I need to give them. No. Can't even put the grub screws in because apparently those little grub screws go into this little bit here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Oh well. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next issue. Thanks, bye.